Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Margrette, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so by clicking on the subscribe button below and tapping on the notification bell so that you will be aware of new uploads. So I have been working from home ever since the COVID pandemic started. I think it was late March when we were instructed to stay at home and work there, right? So it was something new for me because I have been working in the office since 2014. Although I did switch from one company to another because they externally hired me. However, working from home was a totally different and new experience. But I was glad. I was really blessed to still have a job despite this pandemic because a lot of people lost their jobs when COVID started. If you have skill sets which are very useful in IT or let's say customer service, then good for you. Then you have opportunities to work from home. Okay, but if your work is more on labor, like manufacturing, producing different sorts of products, then you should be going to the plant, right? So those are just some of the examples. But if you have skills like in graphic design, IT and programming, music and narration, writing and translation, business, videography and photography, then I have one platform which I can suggest you to try. Its name is Rakuboss. It's a multifaceted Filipino skills marketplace that supports freelancers from any business sector in the Philippines. They welcome Filipino freelancers who want to offer their sidelines and be part of the front line. They also show hospitality to local and international clients who wish to discover skilled and talented professionals in the Philippines. So Rakuboss is an open and easy to use platform specifically designed and created for clients and freelancers. They have services from the following categories, namely graphic design, IT and programming, music and narration, writing and translation, business, fun and lifestyle, videography and photography, travel, love and relationship, and experts. So if you're a freelancer or a client, this platform is for you. If you're a client looking for reliable service here in the Philippines, then this platform is for you. If you're also a freelancer with services as mentioned to offer to clients, this is also for you guys. So this platform is free. You don't need to pay any registration fee to create an account. Anyone can register, whether it be freelancer or a client, and it's easy to use to sell skills to potential clients. So what you need to do, the prerequisites are, you can create your own freelance profile. You can play around the platform, most especially in creating a sideline or a gig, in selling your skills. On every sideline, the freelancer can set add-ons as well as create an FAQ to answer possible and common questions from potential clients. Once you create a sideline, it will initially be pending for Rakuboss admins to check and approve. You also need to have a verified freelancer account wherein you must submit a government-issued ID. The sidelines can also be shared on your social media platform, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and many more to promote your sidelines. So the link is www.rakuboss.ph. Okay, so don't forget that. Don't worry, that link will be available in the description box as well. So if you're looking for opportunities and you want to earn more income, please feel free to go to rakuboss.ph and look for potential clients. So guys, I would like to thank again everyone who have been supportive to my channel. And if you're one of the prospects of this video, if you're looking for a job or if you're a client looking for freelancers, Rakuboss is the best platform for you. Okay, so once again, if you have skills to promote in the market, don't forget Rakuboss is the best marketplace for you. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you have any questions regarding Rakuboss or about my vlogs, please leave them in the comments below. And if you want to show your support to my channel, click on the subscribe button and tap on the notification bell so that you will be aware of new uploads. Thank you so much for your support. I hope to see you in my next vlog, lovies. Happy earning! Bye!